Hi guys! So, diba may pistachio na ilalagay sa strawberry. Kaning ako, watermelon o gatas. Let's go! Kukuha muna ako ng gatas. So, first, this. And we're gonna just like kuha tayo ng Bear Brand. First pala is maglalagay tayo ng powder ng Bear Brand. Ito yung gagawin. Ay! Sayang! Daddy! Check! Lalagyan ko siya ng tubig. Put some little. Halak ka na, damihan lang. Dito tama. Uy, kasalanan mo yan. I think lalagyan ko pa, babe. Ano na. This. Parang malapot yung gagawin pala natin is malapot vibes. Yun yung gagawin ko. Malapot chinemer vibes. Tas ito. Ay! Perfect, babe. Ayan, malapot na siya. So, maghihiwa ako. Hihiwain ko to siya. Hihiwain ko. Tamis. Ooh, lala. Wait lang. First, second, and third, fourth, and fifth. So, first. Okay. Oh my god. Puno na siya. Oh my god, wait. Yup. This is funny. Wait. So, what in here? So, we're gonna just like clean. And this is the exciting part. Guys, this is the exciting part. Like, wait. You're gonna just. Looks incredible.